Hey folks, I'm HP's Dr. Ping and welcome to the Halloween special tutorial, and this is the evil riff which we're gonna learn. Yeah, isn't it evil? Is this haunting? Yeah, so let's check it out quickly. You can play it at your Halloween party or wherever, or if you want to create a haunting evil mood, then this is the riff to do. We do drop D tuning, tune down the low E string on a D. And then let's check it out how it works. Alright, so I have a high gain distortion. I think this is a Soldano amp with a 4x12 cabinet and a lot of delay, but now it's switched off. It's a ping pong delay, a very strong one, which creates this haunting effect, but for now it's switched off to learn the riff. So it goes like this. So one and then open D string and then 5-3-5. And you hear the distortion is really evil. Then 3. And here we add some harmonics. Some pinch harmonics. Pinch harmonics turn the pick beside and hit the string with the side thing of the pick. And you have to find the spot where the pinch harmonic turns out. Back to 3-5-3. So you also can do pinch harmonics on the low, here 5-3-5. And that's it. So let's play to the groove. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, now you heard some variations. That it doesn't sound like a loop, we make some variations. This will be the first. Second time, instead of finishing like this, you play. Then you play the first variation again. And at the end, we play a little run, a cool one, in 16 notes Phrygian scale, which is the evil scale we all know. 5, 6, 8, 5, 7, 8, 5, 7, 8, and back. Here it stops, 6th fret, and then comes the open D string again. So it's this 60 note. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and then we go back to the riff. So it's in 60 note. Taka 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 taka. And it's played palm muted. So you mute it here, this side of the hand. Put the hand here, mute it. And then we continue. So that's the entire riff. Now I'm going to switch the delay back on, which is set on the speed of the track. And that's how it sounds. It's evil haunting. And 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3. Yeah, that was the Helloween special evil dark riff. You found the backing track on my Patreon page. If you love what I'm doing, become a Patreon, or on my download page. If you love what I do, make a donation. And for all others, happy Halloween, and don't drink too much and don't make too much splatter. And follow me on Facebook, Spotify, or Instagram, HPCrazy. You find me hashtag HPCrazy, you find me there. Yeah, so Dr. Pink, you want to say something special for Halloween? Dr. Pink wanted to play his version, the full version now, of the Halloween. Yeah. Yeah, that was the Halloween special tutorial. It was really fun. Holy crap. And as you saw, no fake, this was all first take, the whole thing. It's just a spontaneous Halloween action from me and Dr. Pink, so stay tuned.